Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Fartun The Nomadic RN channel. My name is Fartun and I'm so grateful you're here. Everyone has a story and this is mine. I was born into a Somali nomadic family where life was lived under the endless skies of the Somali desert. We traveled from place to place with our camels, goats, and sheep, following the rain and searching for greener pastures. The day I was born, my family was on the move. My mother went into labor in the middle of nowhere. There were no hospitals, no doctors or nurses, and no medicine. Only faith, courage, and the helping hands of two women who stayed by her side. By the mercy of Allah, my mother survived, and so did I. That was only the beginning of a journey that will take me from the Somali desert to a refugee camp, to my first classroom, and eventually to becoming a registered nurse here in the USA. On this channel, I will share the chapters of that journey, my nomadic childhood, Somali culture, traditions and foods, the challenges we faced, the lessons that shaped me, my life as a nurse, my travels, and the moments that continue to inspire me. These stories are not only about my life, they are about resilience, faith, family, hope, and strength that comes from knowing where you came from. If you ever wondered what life was like growing up as a Somali nomad, or if you simply enjoy authentic stories that connect people across cultures, I invite you to come along on this journey. Please subscribe and let's discover these stories together. Until next time, stay rooted in your heritage, guided by your purpose, and never stop growing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.